All right, so we are loaded up for our camping expedition. We have our SYOCYO wagon loaded. So this is going to hold up to 420 pounds, which is great. But what's really great is the fact that the company sent this to us to do a review, show you how this functions and operates and how much gear it can hold, and show you how this can conquer some terrain. So like I said, we have a lot of gear in here. We have our big 6-person tent, camping chair, first aid kit, bug zappers, flashlights, portable speakers. We got it all in here. So let's pull it across some terrain, show you how it works. First of all, the wheels, really nice. These are 3.5-inch wide wheels. And also the handle works with you. So it kind of turns with you as you're turning, which I thought was a nice feature. Front wheels, 360-degree rotating with bearings, which is really nice. Your rear wheels, those are fixed. So those aren't going to fully rotate. They do turn slightly, but they're basically fixed wheels in the back. So let's pull this down our hill here. We got some roots. It's almost like you're on a trail. So let's show you what this can do. Yeah, I mean, for the amount of weight that we have in here, really easy to pull, very smooth, quiet. You're not going to get squeaky wheels with the bearings. Nothing's falling out. Heck, we even got a boulder here to go over. Now up into some rocks. Just to show you how it turns on rocks, just as smooth as it was on concrete or flat ground. So really nice, easy to move around. So we're at our destination. Let's get this unloaded, and then I'm going to show you how easy this is to collapse and store in your car. We got all of our gear unloaded. Let's collapse this down, throw it in the back of the car, and show you how easy it is. So remember, the inside wagon flooring is your actual cover for this, which is really cool. So I'll show you that. You're going to grab this in the bottom, lift it straight up. Your handle has a little push button. Just push that straight down. And just like that, it's that easy. And the bottom insert that was in the wagon, simply going to wrap it around. Take your straps, run them through the buckles, tighten it up. Grab your handle that's right there, and there you go. One and done. Very easy. Awesome wagon. Highly recommend this. It's going to come in really useful because